Gender stereotypes refer to overgeneralization of characteristics of both the genders. It is normally assumed that women suffer the consequences of such gender stereotypes, but it is a little known fact that these gender stereotypes also affect men. However, there are some instances where we see people breaking these stereotypes.
You may see so many fathers now carrying their children, changing their diapers, taking care of their little kids, taking care of their wives. I have seen working men and women who stays together, men and wife, and the husband comes home and cooks, helps her cleaning. So things are changing, but I think the upbringing has to be changed, or the upbringing has to be changed little more. Stereotype definitely does affect in a way negative, because the mother tells the son not to help the wife. The mother tells that bayo છે, don't do this. તારી બૈરીને મદદ કરે છે, બૈરી ગેલો છે, વહુ ગેલો છે, એ શું વળી બૈરીની પાછળ પાછળ ફરવાનું.
Around 49% of people claim that they have been victim to gender stereotypes. This shows that not only the females but the males have faced them too. When asked, almost 88% of people say that they will like to eradicate such stereotypes. The rest of the people who disagreed are about the age of 55, which shows social change, deviance, and generation gap.
They laughed at me. I can't believe I let them make fun of me. Why did I cry? I wish I was strong.
क्या हुआ क्या हुआ क्या जैसे रो रहा है क्यों रो रहा है इतने में रो गया क्या हुआ क्या हुआ नहीं क्यों रो रहा है क्यों रो रहा है सही क्या हुआ खड़ा
એની ઘણી વખત તે બાળકોના મન ઉપર અસર પડે છે. ઘણી વખત એનાથી શું છે કે બાળકને થોડુંક ફ્રસ્ટ્રેશન પણ આવે છે મોટા થતા, અને એંગર પણ, એગ્રેશન અને ગુસ્સો પણ કોઈ વ્યક્ત કરે છે. આવી રીતે જે નાનપણમાં કહે કે તમે બાળકને રડાય નહીં, પણ એની અસર જે છે ને એના અર્ધ જાગૃત મન પર પડે છે, અને મોટા થતા પણ જે ડે ટુ ડે લાઈફમાં અને વાસ્તવિકતામાં પણ એની અસર એના વર્તાય છે. ઘણી વખત આના જે માનસિક તકલીફો પણ થાય છે, કારણ કે એના હિસાબે એને જે શું કહેવાય કે આત્મવિશ્વાસ ઓછો થાય છે, ગુસ્સો વધારે આવે છે, અને ઘણી વખતે ઉદાસીનતાની બીમારી પણ થઈ શકે છે. આત્મહત્યા તો એવા કોઈ કિસ્સા જોયા નથી, પરંતુ હાર્ટ એટેક ચોક્કસ થઈ શકે, કારણ કે કોઈને એક્સપ્રેસ ના કરી શકે તો હૃદય રોગનું હુમલાની શક્યતાઓ થઈ શકે છે. હા, એવું ચોક્કસ થઈ શકે કે ઘરેલું હિંસા પણ વધી શકે છે એના હિસાબે. ડેફિનેટલી, એટલે બંને આપણે પણ સમજવું જોઈએ કે સ્ત્રી અને પુરુષ બંને ઇક્વલ જ છે. જેથી પુરુષોએ ના રડાય ને સ્ત્રીએ રડાય એ ખોટી વસ્તુ છે, અને પોતાને દરેક વ્યક્તિને પોતાની લાગણી વ્યક્ત કરવાનું કરી શકાય, જેથી આ બધી તકલીફ ઓછી કરી શકાય.
We found that 97.7% of people have heard about this widespread notion at least once in their lives, out of which 35.8% claim to have heard it very often, and 43.2% say that they have heard it fairly frequently. And 70.8% people have seen a boy being looked down upon for crying. For these boys, the only acceptable emotion is anger. They show aggression and are rarely admonished for that. The society teaches men to suppress the emotions, but little do they know that this suppression and sadness gives birth to anger. The images of men today have become more wide ranging, unlike the olden times, where a man was either supposed to be a tough guy or a coward nerd. While there is a little truth behind these stereotypes, a lot of harm can come from these limiting portrayals. Aggressive behavior is one of the major consequences of it. It compels the man to commit violent acts against his wife and other family members, often termed as domestic violence.
Stop crying, Rohan. Are you a girl? Boys don't cry. Okay?
Are you a girl? Why are you crying? Don't behave like a girl.
Chalo.
Boys don't cry.
ओ देवदास, छोड़ ना यार, लड़के ऐसे नहीं रोते.
The cases of cruelty by husband or his relatives in the country have increased by 3.4% during 2014. Most of these cases were reported in West Bengal, followed by Rajasthan, Uttar Pradesh, and Assam. These four states together accounted for 48.2% of total such cases. The highest crime rate was reported from Assam as compared to national rate at 20.5. What if I didn't want to be powerful? What if I laughed at the Superman and admired those glittering heroes but decided to be otherwise? They tell me I don't have a choice. I have to be the hero, macho, tough, bearing, undermining, brave, overpowering. They look at me as a man with words and swords and a heavy armor. What if I let my armor down and lay over my vulnerabilities? Because warriors are brave, but warriors have wounds. I have wounds and I have tears. What if I don't want to be a man, but a man who is human, but a man who can feel and be able to live, be able to cry, be able to reach for someone's shoulder and shed that one tear, and not be a man? What if I didn't want to be powerful?